Hello, my loves. So today, only maybe day three of quarantine. Your girl is struggling a little bit for sure. But it's okay. We're doing what we can. We're being safe, which is super important during this time. And we are just, making the best of it. So my house is probably going to have 20 different looks over the next 2 weeks. Today, I wanted to bring you my everyday makeup routine. I think that a lot of people get overwhelmed with just kind of doing everyday makeup where they want it to look really good. But I have clients asking me all the time, like, I only have, maybe 10 minutes to get ready, or I can only dedicate a total of 15 minutes to do everything. But I want to know what products work the best for getting the best coverage or looking the best on a short amount of time. So, I wanted to film today just a really easy everyday makeup routine, and this truly is literally what I do every day as far as my everyday makeup routine, where it's really nice because you have some nice coverage, you have a little highlight contour, you have some bronzer in there, you have a little bit of color on the eyes, but it's nothing crazy. It doesn't look overpowering, it doesn't look like you really beat your face. I love those days, but listen, sometimes you don't want to act like you put in too much work. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be showing you all of my OG favorite products I use on the daily, and then just how I apply and get it done and look presentable. So that's pretty much it. That coffee is clutch right now in this quarantine. Starbucks, please don't ever close, because I don't know what I'll do, honestly. But anyways, so if you want to know how I do my everyday makeup routine, then just keep watching. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on this everyday makeup routine. So, anyways, we're already looking a little rough. Our spray tan's coming off. Our lashes are shedding. Our eyebrows are getting bushy, and they really need a tint as well. So we're looking really great. Step one. Regardless, whatever, let's go ahead and get started.
Starting out, I'm going to prep my skin with the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. With the Juno Co Velvet Sponge, I'm going to use the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation and buff that into my skin. With the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, I'm going to blend that out using the Juno Co sponge again. To set, I'm going to use the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder and just really be setting underneath my eyes. For shadow, I'm going to be using the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm literally just using 2 colors. One is just going to be that more tan shade, and I'm putting that in my crease as well as underneath my eyes, and then also just kind of all over my lid. And then the shimmery shade, which you'll see in a minute, I'm just going to be putting that on the inner part of my lid. My two favorite brow products, both from NYX. One, the pencil, is the NYX Precision Brow Pencil, and that's in espresso. And then for the brow gel, it's just the clear brow gel. Because I have lash extensions, I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, and this one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. To contour, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Hamptons Weekender palette. For blush, I'm actually using this bronzer. It's really, really peachy. It's from Too Faced, and it's the Sun Bunny bronzer. I love it. It has a little bit of sheen, and it's super gorge. For highlight, I'm using the Estée Lauder Bronze Goddess in Heat Wave. For lips, I'm doing my favorite lip combo ever. So the pencil is from NYX, and it's in the shade Nude Truffle. The lipstick is from MAC in the shade Flesh Pot. And then the lip gloss is also from NYX, and it's in the shade Madeleine. To set everything in place, I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus in the coconut scent.
All right, babes, this is the final look for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope it gave you some ideas as far as products or just kind of like ways to do things and whatnot when it comes to an everyday makeup routine. I know that, you know, for a lot of you guys, you don't have a ton of time to get ready, or you're waking up super early to go into the office and, you know, you only have about 15 minutes to get ready. So I hope this gave you some ideas for what to use or how to use it to get a really simple but slaying the day makeup routine. I can't with myself, especially in this quarantine time. I think we're all going a little crazy. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be back very soon with another video. Bye guys.